Hi, I'm Elizabeth Hill-Scott from Britpolitics.co.uk. Let's get started. On the 1st of July 1690, 30 miles north of Dublin across the River Boyne, William of Orange, newly crowned King of England, Scotland and Ireland, went to battle with his uncle, the recently deposed James II. James II had been incredibly unpopular and Catholic. The English nobles turned on him. They brought in Protestant William to jointly rule with Mary II and sent James II to live in exile. Unfortunately, he fled to France, a Catholic country who hated William. King Louis XIV gave James money and troops to land in Ireland. They were helping his attempt to retake the crown through a backdoor route. William was pretty miffed and arrived in Ireland with the largest show of military strength they had ever seen. The two faced each other down in the Battle of the Boyne. William was victorious and James retreated back to France. William's win at the Boyne cemented the glorious revolution that had occurred 2 years before. It also ensured that through fear and politics, no Catholic monarch has ruled Britain since James II. Thanks for watching, and if you take a look at Britpolitics.co.uk, you'll find hundreds of resources to help you learn about British politics and history. Plus, I cover writing, revision, motivation and exam tips. There's lots of links in the description below, and you can mostly find me on Instagram at Elizabeth_Britpolitics. Don't forget to subscribe on the way out. Bye for now.